AROMASOUL sent me their brand new diffuser, and I'm really excited to check this one out, you guys. It is seriously high quality. So this is a very substantial and large machine. It's got some great controls that I will go into in a little bit more detail. You are going to be able to scent an entire floor of your home with this machine. And unlike others, this is just an extremely high quality machine. All of the materials are metal. It's very heavy duty. This is a completely waterless diffuser, and it's very easy to use. So you just open up this interior chamber. Now it does come packaged with a full-size bottle of oil. This is the Ritz-Carlton scent. It smells absolutely amazing, like a luxury hotel. But the great thing is you can totally use your own oil as well, which is what we like to do. Like around the holidays, we'll use like an evergreen scent. So you can really do whatever you want here, just depending on your preferences. So you're going to pour that in. You're going to want to make sure you don't overfill it. There's a line inside. It's very simple. You just screw it in. This actually is rechargeable, but when it first comes, you're going to need to charge it up. It's very easy. It's a USB-C, and it does come with the adapter. It's got this really cool light on the bottom, which is new to this model. The other thing I notice about it is that it has a 24-hour feature. So you've got 4 different levels of aroma coming out of it. This actually changes the colors of the light. So that's kind of cool. So it doesn't have to be blue, or it can just be turned off altogether. You can leverage the mobile app to completely program this to come on and off at different times. So that's another great option. And once it's charged, you can just carry this around to different parts of your house. But again, the size of this is going to scent an entire floor of your home. It's a really beautiful machine, such a great design.